Hi guys, welcome to Julie's Wig World. Thanks for joining me today. This is a very budget wig, under $50, from sites such as Amazon, Wish, Shine or Shein, however we pronounce that, and see if I can take her from looking nasty to knockout. Wish me luck. Let's see what we can achieve on a budget. So here she is on, and the positives I would say so far about this wig is I think that the roots are good and the blending is nice, but you can see here this skin top is pretty unnatural looking in my opinion, so we shall see what we can do about that. What I've done is widened the part here, and I've extended it as far as I could back through that skin top, and I've put a lot of dry shampoo on. I've also blended some of my own hair through here. Also what I've just done is put some dark eyeshadow just here where my own hair is coming out so that the roots are blending and not making that so obvious. I think that's looking better as well. As you can see here, I've just pinned her back each side. If you have a close look here, you can see a little bit of those wefts in there. If you were someone who had thicker hair of your own, which I don't, you could pull some more of that out and that would probably cover that problem up. A great updo for those hot summer days. She's definitely long enough to do that with. Here she is in a side sweep. Still not as realistic, I don't think, as one of the more expensive wigs. And here's a great way of instantly hiding that part of the hairline and skin top which may not be as realistic as you might like, and instantly you've taken a very cheap wig and elevated her into another category. And who's going to know? Or if you just want to change it up for race day or that upcoming wedding and you're on a budget, give this a go. No one's going to know that the top of this isn't quite perfect if you are putting on a sassy hat. So if you're wanting some very long glamorous hair on a budget, give one of these wigs a go. Pop on a beanie, and I think she's looking pretty good. Lots and lots of fabulous long curls on a budget. But keep a comb handy because she is going to tangle with these very long lustrous curls. So personally, I think I've achieved my goal of trying to take this wig from nasty to knockout. And don't forget the thrift shop, that's where I got this hat from, and this necklace and earrings. And if you enjoy this content, YouTube will have another one of my videos to play for you here. And if you like this style of wig but you want a more expensive one, please check out my wig channel. There's a lot of beautiful long wigs.